Buenos dias, amigos. We are heading towards a cave hunt in the desert land, which is around 40-kilometer distance from Doha city. So check out this land over here. This desert is, you know, it's literally stones everywhere and sands with this kind of bushes everywhere. All right. All right, so we are literally at the cave, and let me show you some instructions given over here. Following practices are prohibited in this cave. Please adhere to the procedures and instructions before entering the cave. You know, it's forbidden to draw or write. It's forbidden to draw or write anything or sculpt in the inside the cave. I mean the cave wall. Food is not allowed. Children under 12 years old are not allowed to enter the cave without supervision, and visiting the cave in the evening is not allowed. So let's set on our adventure, and the cave is called as Misfir Cave. This cave is located in central Qatar, and the rocks in and around the cave are made of marine sediments in a warm shallow sea about 40 to 50 million years ago. And the depth of this cave is about 35-meter depth, which is around 115 feet. So let's set on our adventure to check with the cave. Let's do it. Okay, so right here is the cave entrance, and beyond this, I mean, there is landfill over there, which is very close to this place. And this place is kind of protected with a metal fence to protect any animal, you know, entry or something like that. This is to protect, you know, for safety measures. And yeah, so let's proceed and let's check it out. So okay, oh my goodness, okay. All right, so we are here. Oh my goodness. So we're inside. Check out these stones. And all right, so let's step down. Okay, so this is not very deep, it seems, but hey, it's kind of misguiding something. Like they told it is 35-meter depth, but in real, when you physically visit here, it doesn't seem like 35-meter or something like that. But anyway, let's keep checking. All right, take care. Oh my goodness. So yeah, let's keep moving. So we gotta be watch for moving down, sudden moves, sudden slippery or something like that. But okay, let's take this road here. But the thing is that can we go with this way? No, it's much more slippery. But anyway, let's take a look. Man, it's beautiful. Okay, so all right, so I'm coming back again, and yeah, hold on. All right. There is nothing to hold till this, you know, only to certain portion of the entrance is given the protected rail to hold, to guide you for safe access, but that is to just very, you know, like 1 meter or 2 meter distance, and right after that there is nothing safety measures given here for the entrance to the cave. Anyway, so this cave is public visiting cave though, so that initial entrance distance, that is like around 2 meter or like around 2 to 3 meter, so maybe you can safely visit till that, and then you obviously proceed with your own risk, at your own risk. So this is going to be the thumbnail, final thumbnail of the video. And okay, oh, hold on. Okay, I'm still moving. All right, so my goodness, this is such a romantic scene. Oh my goodness. I'm in love with the rooftop of the cave. It's beautiful. Okay, so let's keep moving further to the cave down. All right, so yeah. Oh my goodness, hold on. Check out the rocks, lovely rocks over here. Okay, check out these beautiful rocks. So these rocks are you know, 40 or 50 million years ago these rocks were formed, and the age of this cave is kind of unknown, but I don't know how this cave was discovered and so on. But as per the history, the geological history, these stones are 40-50 million years old. And let me show you these you know, this small signboard that you can see with some red marking on the stones. If you can, I don't know if you can see it, the red marking, which means to be said here, it's basically two sections of rocks formation. The base line, that red line, indicates the base of the Dammam formation, and beneath that it is the Ras formation. So I think you can see even one small portion of the rock that colored with red. And yeah, so the Dammam Formation is just above the red lines, and the Ras Formation is below the red line. So now let's check here the rock formation. So we are trying to provide little geological information over here, and yeah, so let's keep moving down and let's check it out what it is there. It's slowly being dark inside the cave, and hello, how are you? Good. All right, so we are doing a little video session here. You're here for video as well? You're a visitor? Yes. All right, no problem. All right, guys, so let's keep rolling. Oh my goodness, it's really slippery. Okay, hold on, let me get down. Oh my goodness, it's dangerous. Maybe you can damage your sprinkle, or you can sprain your ankle or something like that. So now I don't know how the sand came over here. I don't know, maybe it's field or something like that, but yeah, let's check out these Arabic writings over here. Maybe long before the people, the locals over here, they came and wrote down this Arabic letter, something. I don't know what it means exactly, but normally it's not allowed to draw anything on the cave wall. And yeah, I mean, check out these Arabic letters if you can read it. So what is written here? That's written in English. It's something written, if I don't know if you can read it. Something written as something. I can't read it. All right, so we are here at the very end of the cave where it ends. Now let's check it out. Oh, it's literally dark, more and more dark. I don't know how my video is going over here, but it's a very end of the cave. Okay, you never know what can be hiding inside, but yeah, still let's check it out. So these rocks are probably, the very oldest formation, 40 or 50 million years before, you know. So yeah, so this was the cave hunt, and yeah, let's check it out if it continues. No, it ends here. It's very dark though, it ends here. And yeah, so this one. All right, now let me show you something very romantic. Okay, let's rotate our camera and check out this view, man. Check out this view, it's really beautiful. So in my guessing, since I'm at the very bottom of the cave, let me show you once again just to confirm for the video. And from here, okay, oh okay, so we are at the right end of the cave. So we are at the very bottom end of the cave, And from here, let's take a look to the top of the entrance. And this cave is, you know, like I don't know. All right, so this was our cave hunt, and we'll still have a little more video session to go on with the adventure, and let's see what we can find. Let's check out these rocks, man. It's one of the very old rock formation here, as per the signboard instruction or the geological information. As per the geological information, it is 40 or 50 million years ago these rocks were formed in a shallow sea. So this is it. Oh my goodness. How to climb this up? Okay. Oh my goodness, it's really steep. Oh. Oh my goodness, madre mia. All right. Oh. Check out this, guys. Check out this. Check out this, bro. Yes. 1 minute, 1 minute. Calm down. Check out this, bro. I need to climb up, and you see the rocks here. There's literally no track, nothing safety provided to hold on anything. But anyway, oh, we are heading in a wrong direction. The reason why it was kind of hard to climb up. All right, yeah. Okay. Oh my goodness. I kind of sprained my ankle. So we got to be careful while stepping on the very steep slopes here. All right. Oh, finally done. And met here my friend from Philippines.
Yes.
Oh my goodness, fuck. I cannot even.
Too much deep, 65 meter?
It's 35.
65?
No, it's 35 meter.
35?
Yeah,
that's drawing.
That's around 115 feet. Okay. We have done literally with our cave hunt. Sorry guys. And
bye bye.
When I came here, I met this
Lookers.
I met him from Philippines.
Yes.
He has a YouTube channel.
Lucas
Don't-
TV. Aywa.
Don't miss
Thank you.
to check
you.
his channel.
Yes.
Maybe
My content
I
is
will-
also
I will provide the link in the description below.
Thank you.
So check it out and do support, man. Your support can be a very big something
Yes.
to explore with something that is unique.
From Qatar. Thank
So
you guys.
we are in
Thank you.
Qatar. Okay. So luckily I found a bicycle here. This one, this awesome bicycle, which belongs to my friend, and I'm going to ride this cycle, and let's see if we can do it. But I don't know if I crash something, but it's very high, right? Oh my goodness, fuck.
Oh, careful.
Fucking shit, I don't even reach the height.
Hi.
How to ride it then? Like this? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Hey man, how do you ride even this fucking shit? It's so high. Come on, man. I don't know how to brake. Maybe this one? Yes. So you. Okay. Let me show you. Let me show you how to brake these things. Like this, huh? You reach your hand here, and all right. So this was it. Our mysterious cave hunt in the desert land, and we are here. Find it. Oh.
Look at the camera.
Fuck. I destroyed it. I literally destroyed fucking nonsense.
You edit this one. Cut this.
No. This is not going to be cut from the video. You know, that's what you know me in real. That's how I do my adventures. Okay. So right next to the cave is the landfill, which is at the distance, and it's a very huge landfill, and yeah, just check out this place over here, and the cave is just at the other side, right next to the landfill, and let's check out. But I think we cannot go close to this place because a metal fencing is protected over this area, and I don't know if filming is also allowed here, but I don't know. So everything is well protected over this place, even for the landfill. So let's try to climb this up a little bit if we can. Oh, there's nothing basically where to stand. Oh my goodness, you see the dog here in the distance, so there's nothing. Oh. All right, so my goodness, hardly we can find any dog here, so let's find the dog. Let's find the dog, where it's gone. All right, let's try to find the dog. Doggo. So he's there. He's trying to hide. He's trying to hide literally. Let's climb up and yeah, let's see. Oh my goodness. You see how fast he's trying to escape from me. Doggo. Doggo. Oh my goodness, lovely. So this is where the dog lives, and yeah, so this is the landfill, and so let's end our video session here, and yeah,